probably thinking, wow, why such a big cord? Well, we're gonna need it. Ooh. Test number 1. Be great. Now I know you're probably thinking, so small and insignificant. That's the point. Not bad. All right, let's see here. Don't want to damage this brand new microwave. Totally didn't find this on the side of the road. Oh, but it is actually pretty nice. Brand spanking new, pretty much. All right, great. And y'all thought science class was useless. For YouTube's sake, don't try this at home. Test numero 2. The hammer. Impressive. Test number 3. The 4-pound hammer. Wow. What? Our next test will be giving it a paint job. No, actually, I just thought it'd be kind of fun. I'm gonna paint it my favorite colors, red, white, and blue. It's already got red. Some stripes here. Here's blue. That is Picasso right there. Look at that. Look at that. Baked potatoes. Yeah, let's go. I will now perform what is likely the final test for this microwave. Yeah, guys, I mean, I really don't know what to say. I mean, clearly there was some manufacturing error when they put this thing together. I mean, I treated it nice, gave it a fresh paint job there, and even used it once. This door didn't even stay on both hinges. Cheap materials, what can I say? Yeah, really, guys, though, I mean, stuff. It's just cheap wiring, cheap materials. Yeah, really, I don't know what the big thing with these microwaves is. I mean, they don't seem to be built to my standard. Hey, look, a screw. This is the only screwdriver I could find. Little light. I could use that. this is the AC unit. You can tell by the fins. Dude, there's a fan? There was a fan. Well, guys, I think you should just buy an oven. Well, guys, I really hope you enjoyed that absolutely useless video, and if you enjoyed that and you like some of my other stuff, you might want to consider subscribing. In the meantime, I'm going to keep sweeping this microwave up.